Hello, friend. Um, Hope you all doing good in this new year. Happy New Year 2023. In my last video, I have shown that how you can use the Mendeley reference software. Today, I'm going to show another helpful software, Zotero, that you can use to manage your reference, especially citing your uh, for citation for your documents, and you can later add the bibliography for this citation. So if you want to use Jotero in your computer, you can just simply go to the um, Google. Let's see. You can simply go to the Google search and then can download Jotero software. Jotero. So when you get into the Jotero software, and get into the Zotero. So Zotero download. Downloads Zotero. When you get into this page, the download Zotero in Google, you'll see there's two options. There's options for download Zotero for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, 32, 60, whatever it is. And then you press download Zotero here. So normally the setup will start. I'm just closing the setup because the Zotero is already downloaded in my computer. So here is the Zotero setup will look like that. We press in Zotero setup, the download process should start normally, and it won't take a long time. You can select yes, the Zotero setup, then next, or you can start setup with standard or custom. I will choose the standard. And user Jotaro must be closed to proceed with the installation. Please close your Jotaro to continue. As I already downloaded Jotaro in my computer and also set up Jotaro in my computer, so the system will not taking the reinstallation unless if I uninstall this existing Jotaro from my computer. So I'm not going to do that because I have to do it again. So just simply cross it. I know it will not take long time to set up Jotaro in your computer following this process. You have to just proceed next, and that will take only 1 minute to download, to complete the download, complete the setup of Jotaro. Are you sure you want to go ahead Jotaro setup? Yes, it's already set up in my system. So when Jotaro is already set up, it'll look like that, the Jotaro window. Now you can work here. Now you can develop your library here. It is also similar like Mendeley and also the reference management software that you have to develop your library first for, um, for citation or for making a bibliography. So what I will do, there are some instructions given here. Welcome to Jotaro. View the quick start guide to learn how to begin building your library, and be sure to install Zotero connected so you can add items to Zotero as you browse the web. Yeah, that is very important option that when you are browsing for any paper and manuscript, you can directly add that manuscript reference to your library. Now I will going to show you that how we can do that. You will click here and install Zotero connector. And there's a few options that the popular browsers are given here that you can add in Zotero connector to your preferred search engine. So here is the Microsoft Edge, and also the Zotero connector is given from Chrome, Firefox. So what I would like to do, so I have already installed the Zotero connector for Microsoft Edge. So just click here to install. If you like to install it in Chrome, just click here. If you want to want your connected for Safari, just click here. Or for Firefox, just click here. So I already installed my Zotero connector, and after installation, you can go to the extension to see your Zotero connector. So as I already have Mendeley in my computer, so it's showing the Mendeley web importer, also Zotero connector. Um, uh, yes. So go back to the desktop Zotero library again. Now we'll add the manuscript or the reference in our library. So you can do directly, if you want to add the PDF file there, you can do it directly from your computer. Seems like it's pretty easy. So let's go to my documents here. To see there are some PDF files here that I want to add to my Zotero library. You will open your Zotero library here. If you want to add your paper, you can just select your paper from here and directly just put it in your Zotero library, and the Zotero will automatically update your reference. So I have added one. I can add one more from here. So this is the way that you can manually add your reference here, and you can add, you can add the PDF file directly here, or you also can add reference manually here. To do that, what you have to do, you have to press in this plus button, the new item that you want to add. If it is journal article, click the journal article. Then a pop-up menu will open in the right hand side here, and you have to write the title of the paper, the author name, abstract, volume, issue, page number, date of publication, series title, DOI number, also the ISSN number, and whatever it is. You have to add everything manually here. You can develop your library adding manuscript manually here. Either you can add directly the PDF file here, and now there's another very easy way of adding manuscript in your library is the online source. Say you are in Google Scholar, that you want to download a paper from here, and like the keyword that I press, Chromium 2023, and you can get a lot of paper here. So this think that you want to add, say you want to add this paper in your library, and what you can do, you can click on the title of the paper, and you can go to your extensions that the Zotero connector. When we'll go to the Zotero connector and click on the Zotero connector, that will directly save to your library. So see, the constructing a ZNO and CuCO2 is already added to your library. We can take it here. The constructing ZNO, zinc oxide, and copper CuCO2 is added here. You can directly add your reference to your library from your browser using the extension. Now you have to cite your mm, paper, your manuscript, or your reference to your main manuscript that you're writing in. Say, this is my main Word file that I'm writing my manuscript, and I want to add the citation here now. So normally, if you download Zotero in your system, in your machine, that should, sorry, that should show you the um, Zotero menu bar here. So if you can't see your Zotero menu bar after download or after installing Zotero in your system, you can reinstall it. You can go to the file, you can go to the edit, you can select preference, and in the preference, you can select site, and then go to the art processor, and you can reinstall Microsoft Word add-ins again. So as I already got the add-ins to my Word file, I don't need to reinstall it again. So I'm just going back and proceeding with the further processing. Let's say this is my Word file. I want to add citation here. So go to this Zotero, um, Zotero menu bar. Now click here, add your citation. Then you can write the keyword of your manuscript that you add to your Zotero library. Say like Echterberg and Vanderberg, Almogil et al. So Almogil. So if you press Almogil AL, if you press just AL, you can find that a paper related with that name is already shown up here. Already have shown up here. So you can click this Almozil that you want to cite, and you can click enter. Then you will see that number one. It is number one because uh, the, the citation style that I selected is nature. So nature allows cite with number one for first citation, number two for second citation. So if you change the style, like I want to cite with Elsevier Hubbard style, then select this Elsevier Hubbard style from here, or you can select other style that you want to cite your paper following that style. So Elsevier Hubbard style, and then click OK and see the citations change to this Elsevier Hubbard style. You also can change the citation style in different way, like Chicago Manual style, 17th edition. That will change your citation to the Chicago Manual style. Now you want to add the bibliography for your reference, and see that is added here, the bibliography. So I will show again for you can, so the citation for just only citation, you can add name, add citation button. You can use this add citation and edit option here to add the citation. Press citation. If you want to add the bibliography for this citation, then press in this bibliography section and select your paper and OK. Um, Sorry, that is not. As this citation is bibliography is already added here, it's not added second time. So I can delete it, and you can see now add the bibliography. So it's coming. Now say you want to add another citation. Okay, it's saying something that the cursor is not. Now it will take. So it is automatically selecting the previous citation. Now you can go. Still there. So as I was placing my cursor below this bibliography, it does not take me. The citation should be always like here, and bibliography will be down there. So you can go to the library again, which one you want to cite, like AC Achterberg that I want to add. And you can add keyword for ACH. That will take that one, that paper. Select that, enter. Achterberg is here. Now enter again that you want to add bibliography for this citation now. Um, so I have, I have, that is the Achterberg, ACHTRB. Select that, okay, and that is added. Achterberg, see here. So it's very easy and very helpful for develop your citation. And yeah, if you like that video, is very helpful for you. Don't forget to um, don't forget to give me a like to this video and subscribe my channel for next video that I will show that you also how you can import data from your uh, Mendeley software reference system. If you have your Mendeley already updated to your system, you can directly transfer or directly extract all of your reference from Mendeley to here in Zotero. I hope the next video will also be very helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching.